Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Yes or no? Okay, very good. So, are you all ready to listen the class? Yes, you must be ready. Whether you are ready with your notebook for taking hints? Yes, the chapter which we are going to see now is very important, which will be useful for you in higher classes. Okay, up to now, how many chapters we have completed? Yes, how many? 4. Very good. List it out one by one. What is the first chapter? Yes, very good. Nutrition in plants. And then what is the second one? Louder. Yes, nutrition in animals. Third chapter, fiber to fabric. Fourth one, heat. Now we are going into the new lesson. What is the chapter? Chapter 5. What is the chapter 5? Do you have any idea about the chapter name? I will give you hints. Look at here. What is this? What is this, children? Lemon. Yes. What is the taste we have? Sour taste. And then tamarind, sugar, and then salt. Yeah, we have different tastes with different food materials. Yes or no? We feel different tastes with different food materials. We have, what are all the tastes we have? Yes, sweet, sour, bitter, and then what is that other thing? Sweet, taste. Yes, what are the different type of taste? Sweet. Yes, we know by the candies. And then sour. Yes, lemon. And then bitter. Yes, what is that? Bitter gourd. And then salty. And then spicy. And then we have some other like pungent smelling. So, how these tastes are produced? We feel the taste with the tongue. That is a sense organ. Yes, we feel that with our tongue. Okay. So, the taste which is responsible is that acid and the minerals which are present in it. So, we get sour taste and bitter taste. Yes, because of the acids which are present inside them. So, that our lesson is related to such a topic, that is acid, bases and salt. Salt means not the salt which we are eating at our home, the chemical salts. What is that? Chemical salt. Okay. So what is the topic? Acid, bases and then salt. Now we will be discussing about this all one by one in our lesson. So there are different types of acids which are present in different types of materials. So what are all the content of this lesson? Shall we see? Yes, introduction of this lesson and then acids and bases. We are going to see about the definition of acids and then bases, and then the remaining are natural indicators, neutralization in everyday life, and then we will have a recap as usual. So today we are going to see only about the definition of acids and bases. Ready with our notes to take hints. Shall we go? So these remaining topics we will be seeing in the next class. Yes, shall we go? Yes. What are all the, we eat different types of food materials. We feel different type of tastes in it. Yes or no? Have you heard about a story how this dinosaurs? Have you heard the story of dinosaurs, children? Yes, dinosaurs were living a long time before. So how they are destroyed? A few says that the acid rain. Because of the acid rain. Have you heard that if you touch acid, it will burn our skin? The acids have a burning sensation. Yes, we have discussed already in the chapter 2. What is that? Hydrochloric acid. There are useful acids. Some acids are present inside our body. Some of the acids are useful to us. So, like what is the useful acid which is in our body? Yes, what is that? Hydrochloric acid. What is that? Hydrochloric acid which helps in the digestion of food and kills in bacteria which enters our body. Okay. First, we'll go into the acids. So, the substance which contain sour taste. What is that? Look at here, I have enlightened here. The substance which contain sour taste contains acid in it. Are you clear? Which has sour taste, the acids are present inside. What do you mean by sour? Shall I tell that? Pulippu. Yes or no? The substance which contains sour taste contains acids in it. And then nature of this substance is acidic. Okay, for example, if you take a lemon and apply it on your skin and then see. So, apply a small pinch of lemon juice on your skin and feel it. It is acidic. We feel the burning sensation. Okay, and then look at here, the word acid is derived from a Latin word acer. What is that? It is derived from a Latin word acer. That means acidic. So the acids are corrosive in nature. Have you seen in many movies also? Yes or no? They used to spill the acids on the faces. It gives a burning sensation and the skin gets burnt away. But the acids are good conductors of heat and electricity. What do you mean by conductors? They allow current to pass through them. What do you mean by conductor? I have said you in last heat lesson. Yes or no? Conductors, insulators. What do you mean by conductors? They allow current to pass through them are called as conductors. But insulators, they do not allow current to pass through them. These are all some of the introduction or the basic of acids. Next one. Here you are going to see few examples of acids. Look at here. Car battery. In the car battery we use acids, and then lemon we have acids, orange, vinegar, and then milk also we have some acid. They are lactic acid. What is the acid present in milk? Lactic acid is there. And then bread. Bread also has some small quantity of acid in it. So these are all some of the examples of acids. Shall we go to the next one? Yes. What is the next one? So before going into the next, you must know about the atoms. Before entering into the next thing, you need to know about some of the basics. With this clear idea only you can able to move to the next one. Shall I say that? Yes. So by having a clear idea of the atoms, it will be easy for you to understand the next upcoming concepts. Okay. Look at here. Atoms are basic units of matter and the defining structure of elements. The term atom comes from a Greek word which means indivisible. I said you already about atoms. Yes or no? There are three states of matter. What are all they? Solids, liquids, and then gases. There are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and then gases. So what is I said you about atomic arrangement also. In solids, the atoms are tightly and closely packed. In liquids, they are loosely packed, and in gases, they are very much loosely packed. So atom is the basic of everything. Atom is the basic of everything. So this word atom comes from a Greek word which means indivisible. I already said you, atoms cannot be created nor destroyed. We are not able to create atom, we are not able to destroy. But they can be converted from one form of energy to another form. They are indivisible. Listen, if you are taking a piece of chalk, you are able to break it. If you keep on breaking it further and further, we will get a last stage. Yes, that is the stage which we cannot divide it further. Further, the division cannot be made. So the atom is smaller than that. It is in the size of nanometer. That is 10 power minus 9. That is less than 9 times less than 0. We are not able to see atom. But the scientists, with some assumptions, they have given some structure of atom. So that has been accepted by all, and nowadays we are following it. Look at here. So this is the structure of atom which had been given by the olden scientists. So this model has been accepted by all the scientists. So they now just confirm this is the structure of atom, but no one had seen atom. Listen, in physics and chemistry, if they are not seeing also, they must give the correct explanation, and it must be evidently true. And then only it is acceptable. That is the experimental method of studies. Physics and chemistry are the experimental method of studies. Not only theoretical but also experimental. Look at here, this is the structure of atoms. So the atoms combine to form elements, elements combine to form mixtures, and the mixtures form compounds. So the atoms combine to form elements. Just store this in your mind. Atoms combine to form elements, elements combine to form mixtures, and then the mixtures form compounds. So now you would have got an idea about atoms. Atoms are the basic unit. So that is the fundamental of everything. It comes from a Greek word that is indivisible. Atoms combine to form elements, elements combine to form mixtures, and then mixtures combine to form compounds. Shall we go to the next one? So now I am going to explain you about the structure of atoms. Look at here. This is the structure of atoms. I said you right. Atoms are made up of 3 subatomic particles. Listen children, these contents are not there in your book. Just have a note of it. Okay. So atom consists of 3 basic elements. That is 3 subatomic particles called as proton. Note it down. Proton, electron, and then neutron. Atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles called as proton, electron, and then neutron. What are all they? Proton, electron, and neutron. Okay. So the protons are positively charged particles. Protons are positively charged particles. Neutrons are neutrally charged. They don't have any charges. They are neutral. And then electrons are negatively charged particles. So protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons do not have any charges. Up to this you are clear? Okay, then listen. The protons and neutrons are there at the center of the atom. Look at here. You are able to see this red color, right? They are proton. So they are plus charges, and then this green color, they are neutron. They don't have any charges. So these protons and neutrons are present in the center of the atom. They both are called as nucleus. Protons and neutrons are together called as nucleus, and the electrons are revolving around this nucleus. So listen here, atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles. They are proton, electron, and neutron. Proton are positively charged, electron are negatively charged, neutrons are do not have any charges. And then coming to the next thing, proton and neutron are in the center of the atom. Look at here, proton and neutron are in the center of the atom. They are called as nucleus. Proton and neutron are called as nucleus, and the electrons are revolving around the